The data represents the heights of eruptions by a geyser. Use the heights to construct a stem plot. Identify the two values that are closest to the middle when the data are sorted in order from lowest to highest. So here's our data over to the right. So let's go ahead and talk about this. So a stem plot, or a stem and leaf plot, represents quantitative data by separating each value into two parts. The stem, such as the leftmost digit, and the leaf, such as the rightmost digit. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take all these values and then order them from least to greatest. So here, since we've done that, we're starting at 36 and we end at 90, and there's 20 total values. Next, we want to find the largest and the smallest value, and this will help determine how many rows to create. So we want to take a look at the largest and the smallest. So 36 is the smallest, and then we can see that 90 is the largest. So the smallest value is 36, and the largest value is equal to 90. Okay, now the rows of digits in a stem plot are similar in nature to the bars in a histogram. Here we're going to use 7 rows of stems representing all the numbers that are listed first, or the ones digit, which goes from 3 all the way to 9. And now we're going to fill in the stem plot and then start with the first number in ascending order. So the stem and leaf plot are going to be shown below. So the stem is 3 and we have a 6. The next values are 40 and 42, so the stem is 4 and the leaves are 0 and 2. The next is 50. There's 3 50s, a 54 and a 56. So the stem is 5, so we should have 3 zeros, a 4 and a 6. 3 zeros, a 4 and a 6. The next stem is 6, 0, 0, 1, 7, 9. So we have 0, 0, 1, 7, 9. The next stem is 7. And so we have 0, 0, 3, and 5. So we have 0, 0, 3, and 5. Okay, next the stem is 8. And we have 2 leaves, which is 0 and 6. So we have 8, and then 0 and 6. And then we have 9, and then we have 90. So there is our stem and leaf plot. So now we can figure out, well, we can see that it's not the first one. We can see it's not this one. So it looks like it's going to be the one in the middle. Now let's go ahead and do this on StatCrunch. So if I go ahead and select the data here, I'm going to open this up into StatCrunch. And then what I want to do is the following. I'm going to first title this as the height of eruption. Okay. And then what I want to do is I'm going to come over here and select graph and then select stem and leaf plot. We're going to select height of eruption. And so all we need to do now is, we're not going to outline any trimming. We're just going to go ahead and select compute. So if we take a look at this and then compare it to the one in the middle, you're going to see that it's going to be the same one that we have just done. So we're going to select B as our result and our choice, and then select check. So therefore, we got that one. Now it says identify the two values that are closest to the middle when the data are sorted in order from lowest to highest. So let's go ahead and take a look at that here. So we want to find the two values that are closest. So the order data are given below. So this is in ascending order. We have 36 to 90. And since there are 20 data values, the two values closest to the middle of the ordered list would be the 10th and 11th value. So that means that the 10th and 11th values, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then this is 10, and then this is 11. So therefore we can see that we have 60 and 61 as 10, 11. So therefore the 10th data value in the ordered list is 60, and the 11th data value in the ordered list is 61. So let's go ahead and put that in here. So we have 60, and then 61, and then we're going to check our answer, and therefore that is our result.